Hey everyone! So I have a Artist Loft Level 2 canvas, 14 by 18. And I'm going to do a dirty pour using 4 metallics and 4 paint colors along with black. And I do have, one of the metallics is a pearlescence. So I'm going to probably use 3 cups on this one. This cord is always in my way. I need to get a wireless mic. I'm going to move the canvas back while I do this. And I'm going to spray my cups with WD-40, and I'm not going to rub it in. I was going to cover the canvas with white first, and then stepping on push pins. And then pour on it and try not to use all the space, but since I'm going to be using 2 light colors in here and the gold, I don't think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to get my cups going here, and I'm probably going to use 2 layers of color, so we'll repeat twice. So I don't want to use a lot of paint. So I'm going to start with a little bit of black. And I'm going to follow that with, how about gold? I showed that, it's not behaving. Okay. And then I'm going to follow that with, let's see, Soho Emerald Green. And I'm just layering them in. And then I'm going to take the aqua. And then the Terra Vert, which is also known as Viridian. And I think this is where I'm going to give it a pop of black. A tiny bit of the pearl essence. So we're really not using a white opaque color. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead with the Robin's Egg Blue. And then the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue, which would also be known as Metallic Turquoise Green. Doesn't look like cobalt blue at all. Even when it's dry, it doesn't. And then I'm going to top it just a little bit with black so I can get that copper in there. I like my metallics next to black. Okay. So now we're going to do it again. Except I don't remember where I put the white. So we hit it with black. And then gold. Emerald green. I think we'll be okay next to that gold. And then the Artist Loft Aqua. Now I'll put some white in there, even though that's not where it belongs. Touch of black. Cups are getting full. am not afraid of color. However, you start throwing orange and red at me and then it's like, no thanks. I think I'm going to shoot some gold down through there. Just to be on the safe side. Okay, I'm good with that. It's pretty. It's a pretty mix. We'll see how it comes out on the canvas. I might change my mind. Okay. So if you've been watching me, you know that I just don't pour in layers or lines or anything. I kind of go all over the whole canvas. And if you're just joining me, go ahead and subscribe below and click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. And I'm going to go ahead and start with this cup because it looks interesting with the copper. And I want to make sure I get that copper on the canvas. Cool. Love this. Even though I don't have any cells here yet, but I love that line of color. That copper is going to go off the end, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this one on. This is black, so we're going to come this way. I want that gold. I don't have anything going on here, so I know where I'm coming with the next cup. This is pretty here. It's got the gold, the copper, and the metallic cobalt all together. Okay. So I'm going to bring that copper across. I'm going to save what's in the cup just in case we need it. But I think we have enough paint on here to play. So I'm just going to move it around a little bit so they all connect together. Intermingling. But they don't want to play very good. Come on, boys and girls. Okay, so let's get it all in the middle. And now I'm going to decide where I want to go after I torch it. Oops, I got a bunch of parchment paper sitting here for skins. I like when my cells show up when I first pour, instead of trying to find them with the torch. That is so neat right there. I don't have it anywhere else like that. It kind of separated. Okay. There, bubbles are gone. Okay, so I'm going to head this way first because I do like this and I'm going to cup it so I don't lose it. So now that my paint is in the middle and I do this rocking motion to make sure it's there, just give it a little push to go. If you're just starting to do acrylic pouring, tilt slowly and watch your entire canvas, not just where you're going. Oh good, it's stretching out that gold. I love that. Love that look. It's right here. Okay. This is interesting. I don't know if I want to dump that side next. I think I'm going to come here. paint back in the middle. And head this way. Come right back to the middle to bring all my cells back where they were at. Okay. Since I already know I'm going to get rid of some of this copper, I'm going to go ahead and get this corner next. I have a tiny bit of pearl that showed up, not much at all. I definitely wanted the green to be prominent, so I kind of got what I was hoping for. Okay. That's kind of neat the way that gold is right there. Okay, let me get my paint back down. And then I'm going to head over this way. We definitely want to get rid of that one layer of copper. My hand is absolutely gorgeous. So I need to bring it back down. Okay. Everything looks where it's supposed to be. Corners look good. Let me just flip it around. Check my other side. Oh, that's delicious. I love the way that webbing goes over the side. Let me get a wipey because my hand's really painty. Yes, that is very delicious. I love this little caterpillar-y cell action going on with the pearl. I'm shocked that it did that. Okay, let's torch it. So everything that I'm using is available on my Amazon shop. That link is below in the description. From my torch, the washing machine tray, the underpads. I do have some paints in there, some Soho paints. It's a basic kit. Most of my Soho I get from Jerry's Artorama. And my Lucas and my Creative Inspirations paints. One final pass. Okay. She looks marvelous. Very earthy. And let me give you a close-up because you're not seeing what I'm seeing from up there. And I wish I could zoom. I need one of those remotes that zooms you in. Just this corner is so cool. And then we have this patch of cells here. And we have stuff coming up through the black. We've got some pearl caterpillar-y cells there. And some webbing over here. It's just all over the place. It's so pretty. So that's it for that one, guys. I am not touching anything else on there. I'm very pleased with this painting. Very, very pleased. So you saw me take some colors that you probably wouldn't even think to put together and made something very pretty. Don't be afraid of color. It's all in your layering. Learn your color wheel and you won't have any problems. I have no mud in here. If you see anything that's brownish, tannish, it's the gold and the copper. And the black mixing with the gold. So it's very pretty. Very happy, happy, happy. So I will post a picture of this dry on my Facebook page. I'm sure she'll be dry before I go on vacation. I still have another week yet, so. Don't forget to hit my Etsy sale if you're looking for paintings. 25% off until June 1st. Use the code BIRTHDAY and you'll get that 25% off at checkout. And there's also jewelry there. If you don't want to buy artwork, you can buy jewelry. And I have hand-painted beads on there as well. They're just mostly seasonal beads. But thanks for joining me, guys. Check out the links below. If you want to sponsor my channel, there's a PayPal link there. I'll be doing quarterly giveaways, something super, super nice for my sponsors. And hit me up on Facebook if you have any questions. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.